Hi all. So back again. Firstly, I would like to thank all my family and friends who are messaging me and appreciating my work. Thank you very much. It really means a lot. And also, I would like to thank my husband and my dad who appreciated and pushed me for my idea and I could do this. Life is like a Rubik's Cube. It's difficult at first, but with constant practice and determination, it gets better. Nothing is impossible until it's done. Impossible itself says, I am possible. Rubik's Cube is the highest selling toy puzzle in the world. It helps in concentration, eye and hand coordination, sharpens logical thinking, good for hyperactive kids, stress buster, and much more. You know why I'm talking about Rubik's Cube today? Yes, I think you guessed right. So today we have a very special mom, very near and dear to me. She knows 60 varieties of cubes and she wills to learn more. She never thought of it, nor did she had any plans about it. Then how did she become a cube mentor? So let us know more about her. So it gives me great pleasure, great joy to welcome our beautiful, always smiling, happy-go-lucky, dedicated and a very caring mother, Mrs. Forum Mithul Gogri. Hi Forum, welcome and please let us know more about you.
Thank you, Dhwani, for choosing me for your Mother's Week celebration. Happy Mother's Week to all beautiful and hard-working mothers. My name is Forum Mithil Gogri. I'm a mother of two beautiful kids, Rashi and Kian. Traveling and exploring different places is a fun-loving activity which I love to do it. I like to do various adventurous activities like trekking, scuba diving, rappelling, and so on and on. Trekking is one of my favorite activity which has always brought nature near to me. I love to see small creatures, animals, wild animals in their natural habitat. This is something so beautiful. Singing is also one of my hobby. I love to learn different variety like different things. I always love to learn them. By profession, I am a Rubik Cube mentor. I teach 60 different varieties of Rubik Cube.
Not only this, but she's already inspiring many of us, including me, with her weight loss. Param, also tell us how did the Rubik Cube journey started and the support from your family.
The idea of Rubik Cube teaching is a really funny incident. I had enrolled both my kids for Rubik Cube learning. My younger one took little more time in learning and it was becoming really hectic for me for pick up and drop and just for 1 hour. So one fine day, when I just got a thought that why don't I only learn Rubik Cube and then teach them, as it would be an added experience of teaching because I was already a preschool and a Vedic maths teacher. So I started learning Rubik Cube. I started with one cube, then I started second one, third one, and then it was like an addiction to me. I kept on learning and the number went to 60 Rubik Cube. And I am eager to make the number to 100. Talking about family, my family has been my big strength and my big support. my husband Mitul, has always supported me throughout my journey. You can say he is my advisor for every small thing. I used to take his advice, and it was like I used to come in flying colors. My mother-in-law, my great-grandmother, my kids, both the kids, they have always been supportive. Every time they motivate me, and they always help me in each and everything. I'm blessed to have a family like this. And of course, Dhwani, you being the part of the family, you have always supported me and guided me. Thank you so much.
Yeah, actually, we guide each other. Okay, Forum. So, also tell us how would you describe your journey of motherhood and spending time with kids?
What a lovely journey. You would agree to this, as we both have started this journey together. It's so beautiful, just like a wave which comes and creates memories. Motherhood is like a state. It cannot be elaborated in words, but it can only be experienced. It has shaped me up as a strong, confident, matured, and independent lady. To be very particular, being a mother is still sculpting me into a better personality. Thank you, Rashi, Kian, and of course, Vihan, for making me experience motherhood. I spend my time with kids playing games, helping them in their studies. We talk and discuss on many topics. Both the kids help me in my household work as well as they assist me during my Rubik Cube classes.
Yes, always. You are in Vihan's favorite list. Vihan, my son, loves her mommy very much. Okay, so how would you stay happy and away from the negativity in this lockdown?
This lockdown has made everyone self dependent. It has taught so many different things. A woman is always gathered with so many household chores, but still I insist them to remove some time for yourself, for your hobby, or whatever you love to do. The start of the day is really important. I start my day with my daily workout, which really charge me up, and I feel really happy throughout my day. I solve my Rubik Cube, which is really important for me, and it's a stress reliever. Positive, the approach, how you approach things. Positive approach is very important. If you stay positive, you're always happy.
Wow, positivity always helps. I must say, she manages and balances her kids, her family, and her work very well. Never tired and always smiling. That's what makes her our favorite. So much, Forum. Thank you for giving your time to us. It was great talking to you. Blessings and love as always. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.